Whoa!
Shots fired.
Fuck me.
Hold fire, hold fire, hold
And that's
fire.
how we're going to start this episode off. Massive shots fired. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode on the channel. Jumping back in to some statewide RP content with the, what is it, Los Santos County Sheriff's Office and the 2020 Explorer. We got Zachary P here, the one and only.
One and only.
Sam's in here too. He's running amok somewhere with LSPD because he doesn't love us.
Okay,
He doesn't
Okay,
love
there,
his community coordinator.
Okay there, bud.
I understand. He doesn't love his community coordinator. I understand. It's okay.
Alrighty,
why
well
am I turned around? There we go.
we're gonna jump in here and see what we can get into.
We're gonna die. Probably.
We've had shots fired just recently. We have a guy that won't stop shooting off rockets, or not rockets, fireworks.
Yeah, rockets.
Rockets.
Anyways,
we're gonna see what we can get into.
yep. Alrighty.
Good on Coco.
The best from 24/7.
Yeah. I'll put my seatbelt on.
I'm gonna put mine on.
Yeah, first.
White male believed.
Wear your seatbelts, kids.
Subject, form drive.
Wear your seatbelts, otherwise you will go flying off the car like me.
You'll go through the windshield like I did, right in front of the LSPD guy. That's good.
That's okay.
he lit you up and saw the plate and said nope.
Dude, I'll light you up anyway. I don't care.
Oh, that's Sam.
Yeah.
Wow, so he hits me.
Yeah.
I
What?
didn't hit you. What? Maybe if you didn't smoke all those lines.
I need your insurance.
You hit me on his side too.
Maybe if you didn't smoke all those line of cracks, that's what would happen.
Listen, there's nothing else to do in the county.
That's it. Oh, I made a vehicle. That's nice.
No.
So here's the CAD. We're gonna go 10-8 the CAD. New CAD we got. I love this CAD.
It's okay.
Name search, plate search, identifier, records ID. You can look up past records. You type in a name, it gives you their civilian records, licenses like firearm permits, driver's license, boating permits, stuff like that. And then if you want to file a citation, we just go down to records and you got to hit new record. Arrest, bolo, warrant, citation, general citation, and vehicle citation, which I didn't even know vehicle citation was a thing. But I guess that would be for like what, a taillight being out or something. Well, no, that wouldn't be an unroadworthy vehicle, but you could probably cite them for like a broken taillight or
Fix-it ticket.
yeah, fix-it ticket. You want anything from inside the station or gas station here?
No, it should be good.
All right, I'll be back.
No, I got.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Oh fuck!
Are you good?
No. Oh shit!
I don't even want to know.
I don't want to pay for that, bro.
I don't even want to know.
Oh no.
Grown up. Ruining it. I like how I'm narrating your YouTube video. That's nice.
We're rolling up. It looks like it's going to be at the mechanic shop here. Looks like they have supervisors on scene.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going. So,
What we got?
we had the shots fired.
Exploring in a A56 shirt.
Okay.
You can break off.
We came out. They had it under control, so myself, Kai,
It's a PD Explorer that just pulled up A56. You're gonna break
pulled
off.
over one of my guys as we get off that traffic stop.
Is there any type of
One of
contact
your deputies
number
comes
that I
over
could
there to ask
contact
for
you on or
supervisor.
anything like that?
Because I guess one of your other deputies threatened to stab somebody. So
Very.
the Civ
Sorry?
Yeah, so the Civ shot a deputy, and now this is the cuss.
Yep.
The deputy's in the charge of
Got
that
it.
call to 731.
Okay,
You're
so
good to go.
I'll be
Where are they at?
contacting you. I'll be
He's in the charger here.
contacting you within about next 2 business days. Okay.
Hey, deputy.
How you doing?
So you want to explain what happened?
Okay, I'll come over. So me and this other officer were down over here. This male arrived on scene like late. Do you want me to tell you what happened like from the start? Or do you want me to tell you what from?
Yeah, just tell us everything that happened.
Okay. So I arrived on scene because I was doing a 1011 on this commit. Was it a Corvette? I believe it was a Corvette. He was complying. This other guy in a blue was a Charger, I think.
Sorry, were you asking?
Arrived down here. They got into a fist fight. Both of them were charged for assault because they both were assaulting each other because they both punched at the same time. And then also the other male, what do you call it? Another male came onto the scene. He was arguing with us, everything like that. Then this male comes onto the scene.
520, you're looking for a bike at the Santa Claus on there, right?
He then, what do you call it? Heard what was going on because apparently the deputy said that he was going to stab another officer, but not another officer, another civilian because he wasn't going back away. And then this male that was in cuffs previously, what do you call it? Got a firearm out from the back of his truck, I believe, and
It was not me. It was my partner.
started to shoot.
No.
He aimed a gun at us, then started to shoot after the
Oh,
deputy got his gun out, and then started shoot
that
at
was
the male.
basically.
Okay.
I believe I know who the officer was. That
Who was-
said that he was
who
gonna
was-
stab him.
Shots fired over 49.
Do you know where he went?
He went to the hospital to get checked up after he got
It was,
sent.
I think it was iTunes.
Yeah, I think it was him.
Okay.
But I'm confused from the whole situation why he even said that he was gonna stab him.
So we got called out here. 71 requests. Sounds like officer threatened, or a deputy rather, threatened to stab somebody who threatened to stab somebody else. I don't.
Y'all want the whole
really
rundown?
know.
Or?
We're gonna figure out what this guy's story
So
is.
I arrived on scene, wanted to get a tune-up on my vehicle, and I didn't know where the owner was. He wasn't inside, so I came out here and I saw that there was a civilian here, and I asked, was he the owner? He wasn't responding to me. I saw that there's 2 officers here, another Charger like that one. And then as I was walking up, I saw that there was one of the deputies had a knife out. He was wearing like a khaki pants and like a polo shirt or something. And then he pulled the knife out on that one civilian. He's like, man, if you don't back up, I'm gonna stab you. And then I said, man, just back up to the civilian there. And then he kept walking up closer to him. So I went back to my vehicle. I got my AR out. And then at that point, when I got it out, he was already like walking up even closer to me. So I started pointing it at him, and I said, man, back up. I'm not gonna get stabbed. And then he started walking closer. And then he pulled his gun, and then he shot at me first. And then I began to open fire. And then this officer over here saying what was it, attempted murder ×2 or something like that. So not really sure what's going on at this point, but I was in cuffs and this officer let me go, but he just told me to stay on scene so I could contact you guys or something. So yeah.
Okay.
We need to run CCTV footage and body cams. I'm gonna go yank the wires on that alarm here in a minute.
What alarm?
You don't hear it?
No.
Oh my! Am I the only one that hears that? Oh God.
Yeah, man.
I'm probably. Oh my God! I'm gonna lose my mind.
English?
Listen, English has escaped me right now because my ears are bleeding.
Oh.
I don't. What are you doing, buddy?
I'm losing my mind. I can't hear anything.
Oh, here's the car. What are you doing?
I can't hear. I'm gonna lose it. I gotta go.
Go where?
All right, I think I got my life figured out here.
Right, he's inside. I believe they said,
Oh boy.
I got 2 of them
Oh,
bleeding
you
out. I
legitimately
need
went on the
units
drive.
849.
Oh, I left. Dude, I couldn't. It was annoying the shit out of me. All I heard was this alarm.
Oh, 21.
Come get me. Or take me to 849. Samuel. Oh my god.
Yeah, dude. Bro, one of the SAHP told me to leave. I'm like, no.
From Drive Strawberry.
Mark it.
Get us some
God.
units for 9.
Where is 849?
God, I just can't win. It's behind
there
us.
it is.
I'll direct you. Unless you got it. Where are you going?
Get in the car.
I'm trying.
Bro, what
Oh
are
my
y'all
God.
doing? I'm following you, and y'all are not. I don't even know.
Take her right up here. Oh my god.
It looks a lot better than you driving, Zach.
No, it don't.
You rubber. That's just the you issue then.
Oh my god. He just took out life.
And the door just fell off.
The door's been gone, buddy.
Oh, no, never mind.
He's here. He's in the bed.
Oh, shoot.
House is clear. We have 3 men down. GSW, search for 9. Get us in the area and the units out here.
We good?
Good shots fired in the area.
Stepping down to code 2. You guys can keep your response stuff.
We've got apparently 3 guys down in here, and I don't see where they're at. Where they? I don't know. Okay, well, we showed up after the fact, so. Oh, they're right here.
He shot me at my crib.
Man, fuck you up. Fuck it.
Why you come up in my crib, dog?
Man, that's our crib, bro.
Bro, I've been here ever since the start.
What
homie.
happened?
He shot me in my crib.
I don't know how you even talking, homie. Little hole in your chest with a
shit.
shotgun.
What?
Oh.
Whoa!
Shots fired.
Fuck me. Come on.
Alright, 7 Romeo, let's split units. I'm going to the panic 849. Let's get unit 761 as well.
Mary 1, we got officer down 849. Come on, start. Here we go.
Stay with me.
I'm coming. Let's go. All right, mark me up the hospital.
Gun point 761. Confirm. Lincoln 1, who was the unit who's originally on scene at 849?
Up here, take a look right. And then take a left.
Gunner? Who was the unit who's originally on scene here at 849?
Ooh.
Believe Tungan 2.
All right, let's get him out.
Lincoln 1, Lincoln 2.
That's good.
That's good. Are you kidding?
No, I just can't. I just can't.
How?
Officer located.
How does that happen? How are you
Actually,
getting
when we got one officer delivered to hospital.
How are you getting thrown? I didn't even do anything but turn.
Okay, getting in the mix.
Okay, well, you're gonna stay there for now.
Maybe it'll be safer.
Probably you're in a cage. Are we going back to 849?
Want to? Nope. No, I'm just kidding. I don't care. I'll be here.
Okay. All right, what's happening over here?
I don't even know. Whoever's here before kind of just left them, and then a cop got shot.
Yeah, That's who shot the cop is what I want to know.
I don't know. All these guys are down. So this guy's dead. This guy's 30 pulse. I'm checking this guy's pulse.
Oh, okay. We're gonna get this scene wrapped up and go back. 10 available for calls. County meds are here. They can take these guys away. County coroner's here for what?
Take me over to the 24/7 so I can get a heal a hoe kit.
Heal a hoe. Okay. All right. County's here for these guys. We can clear off. They're gonna take them and admit them. So.
Advise, do we have any last known location?
They should be here.
That Sound Clowns impersonator.
Grabs kit. Doesn't say grabs heal one, heal a hoe kit.
I don't want to spell it wrong. Here's your kit.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Very good.
Hello Kitty kit? Is that what you're getting? Or a Hilo kit? I don't know.
What is this guy doing?
He just got our shit kicked in.
What are you doing?
Swear to God, I know he ain't about to kick us. I ain't even.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
We're parked at a pump. What the hell's wrong with you?
What? You're not parked. You're moving.
No, we weren't.
Yes, you were.
You hit us.
And then
No,
you hit
I
us.
didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Alrighty, everybody. That is where we're gonna wrap up this episode. I want to thank you guys for coming out watching. I hope you take care. Have a good one. We will see you in the next video.